Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can charge your Shokz OpenRun Pro. So it's super simple. You're going to have cable in the packaging, and then right here from the back you're going to have this, and what you want to do, you're going to feel feel like a click, like a magnet that connects together. And then what you have to do is just like you have to plug it to the USB, and then it's going to, you're probably going to find like a red light there, but this is how you can do it. So take this and just put it like this, and this is how you're going to charge it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.